From the Department of Geography, we've arranged first classroom workshops which focus on natural resources. And after the classroom workshops, we've done some practicals where we implemented the information that we taught them in the classroom. The first workshop focused on recycling, so how to use waste materials and make new items which they can maybe earn an income from and so. They made little baskets from plastic bags. They learned how to do some paper mache and as well as how to use plastic bottles to make usable items such as dust scoops and that type of thing. The first workshop also focused on energy and energy management, so we showed them how you can make a battery using just lemons, and we showed them how you can make a light from a plastic water bottle just by using a normal sunlight that's available. And then the second classroom workshop was focused on water conservation and water management, as well as how to create your own vegetable garden, how to do composting, when's the right time to plant which seeds, what you can use in a compost heap and that type of thing. The first practicals that we did was basically happening in the classroom. So with the recycling activities, they created the items inside of the classroom. So we supplied them with some waste materials, they collected some waste materials from the villages and they made items using those waste materials. We also went on a village walk where we collected some trash that was lying next to the side of the road, and we then analyzed what can we use from the trash that they have collected. Also, we did a demonstration with the Liter Light project in the first workshop, just by using a cardboard box. And now when we came back and we did the second practicals, we basically took the Liter Light, which is just a 2-liter plastic bottle filled with water and some bleach, and then you can put it in an outside building, whether it's a toilet or a storage facility which has no windows. So basically that Liter Light is now providing some light inside of the outbuilding during the daytime. Another part of the practical was to make a physical vegetable garden outside, and that we did at the multipurpose center where they had their classroom training. That's something that we've been wanting to do for a few years now, and basically we planted different seeds. Each of the trainees could plant a seed to see how deep it should go into the ground, how far the seed should be apart, how to prepare the soil, how to water it afterwards. And what we did is to install empty plastic 2-liter cool drink bottles into the soil. So then when you water it, you don't water the physical soil, you put the water inside the bottle, which means the plant extracts just the amount of water that it needs at that specific point in time. It also helps to reduce evaporation of the water from the soil or seepage that just goes into the underground water table. The plan was to start with the schools and to do some workshops there to just show the trainees the adult trainees, how you can work with younger children. And there we did the basic things that we have done with the adults, but just on a more easier level.
In working with the students, we find that initially sometimes are a bit shy, but in working with the students, we do find that some of them do respond quite well to the concepts that we are teaching them, and you can see some of them are actually putting quite deep thought into the concepts that we're promoting. And then also the key thing that we would like the students to take home with them after the workshops that we had with them is basically, hopefully, just to walk home with a deeper awareness, perhaps a deeper appreciation of the environment around them, and hopefully they would better use the resources that they have at home and take care of the environment around them. If they can walk home with just a few concepts around that, then I feel we've accomplished something.